In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify pages. Whether you're looking to refresh the look of your online store or need to update crucial information, understanding how to navigate and edit pages on Shopify is essential for maintaining an engaging and up-to-date online presence. First things first, kick things off by making your way to the Shopify website. Here you'll find yourself at the doorstep of numerous possibilities to enhance your digital storefront. But before you can dive into the sea of customization Shopify offers, you need to gain access to your account. As you would expect, gaining entry to the backstage of your store requires you to click on the Login button. It's a straightforward step, yet it's the gatekeeper to your online business realm. Once you've found the button and given it a click, you'll be prompted to enter the key to your kingdom. That is your email address. Take a moment here to make sure you're entering the email associated with your Shopify account to avoid any sign-in hiccups. Next up, securing your entry by providing your password. It's like the second lock on your store's front door. Once you've typed in your password, a click on the login button will whisk you away to the heart of your Shopify operations, leading you to the My Store home page. Now here's where the real fun begins. Look for the online store option. This is your gateway to the realm where all your pages dwell. Clicking on this option will unfold a world where your creative prowess can truly shine, guiding you to the pages of your online store. Upon navigating to the online store section, your next move is to select Pages. This action will reveal to you all the pages your store currently houses, whether it's a page dedicated to your store's policy or a creatively crafted landing page for your latest collection. You'll see them listed here. Eager to add a new chapter to your online store? Simply click on Add Page. This button is your paintbrush, awaiting your command to create a masterpiece, a blank canvas ready to be filled with the details that make your store uniquely yours. As you embark on adding a new page, you'll find yourself with the opportunity to add a title and content. Here, the essence of your brand and the message you wish to convey will come to life. Whether it's detailed product information, captivating storytelling about your brand, or crucial customer service details, this is where it takes shape. Fill in the pertinent details that align with your vision and the purpose of the page. In enhancing your store's narrative, remember the power of visual content. Adding images or videos can transform the appeal of your page, making it more engaging and compelling to your visitors. Imagine the difference between a plain text description of a product and one complemented by vivid images. The impact undoubtedly leans favorably towards the latter. Once you're satisfied with the content and look of your new page, don't rush to hit the save button just yet. Take a moment to preview your work. This step is akin to stepping back and admiring your painting before declaring it complete. It's an opportunity to see your page through the eyes of your audience, making sure every element aligns perfectly with your brand's story and aesthetics. Finally, after taking in the preview and making any necessary tweaks, you can confidently hit save, officially adding your newly crafted page to your online store. With this, you've not only expanded your store's content, but have also taken another step in enhancing your brand's digital footprint. To recap, editing or adding pages on Shopify involves a blend of technical steps and creative exploration. From logging into your Shopify account, navigating to the online store section, selecting pages, to adding and crafting the details of your new page, each step brings you closer to refining your store's narrative. And remember, with each page you edit or create, you're weaving a deeper story of your brand, engaging your audience with every word and image. I hope this guide has illuminated the path to editing and adding pages on your Shopify site. As you continue to grow your online presence, remember that each page holds the potential to connect, engage, and convert visitors into loyal customers. Happy editing!